How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to an episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over how you can use our grand control with a Y cable here to activate a Raptor and our K-Force Micro 21. So for example here, I brought our Raptor MultiColor Linear in amber clear, and I brought our MultiColor K-Force Micro 21 Linear here as well in amber clear. But again, we do offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear color combinations. So you'll notice with our multicolor that the colors are flashing back and forth between their primary and secondary colors. And then with our grand control here, you can see that you can activate your units on or off, and then you have your pattern changer here, so you can cycle through your different flash patterns. You can find a pattern you'd like. And then these units do have memory recall, so you can shut your units off and back on, and they will remember the last pattern they were on. And then also on your grand control, you have your TD button here. Now this will activate your 2 takedowns on your Raptor visor bar, and as well on your K-Force Micro 21, the TD button will activate your 2 alley lights. Now since my secondary color is clear here in my K-Force Micro 21, you'll notice that my alleys go to steady burn clear. So this is perfect if you need to activate front, work, or warning lights, and then also your warning lights and your side work lights on your K-Force Micro 21. And then you can deactivate those if you would like to. And then also you'll have your aux switch here where you can hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting all off of your grand control. So again, this is a great option if you're looking for a visor bar and a mini light bar and you want to control them off of one controller. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.